job to just drive around to see. Oh, in a minute. Look. Oh, today is the final day. This tree, they are going to drop it. After long years, many years. They cut here before, this branch, but now the whole tree have to go. All of the tree has to go. Yeah, for sure. See it? So I'm gonna miss you. I don't know what to plant, but I need to plant another tree. You see, like that maple leaf tree? Yeah, see these two, 1, 2. So I'm gonna plant another tree in here. Yeah, this is a place where I want to plant another one. So yeah, straight here from that 1, 2, 3, straight here, either in the middle here, and that the car. This car is here now, so that's I'm gonna plant it. So these trees, I like to say bye bye. So that vine, we're gonna cut off this tree. Yeah, so that guy's gonna cut off the tree, guys. So I like to say bye bye, my tree. Yeah, oh bye bye. I'm gonna miss this tree, man. So we're going to miss you for sure, for sure. We enjoy with your shading, you know, from many years. We set up our basketball in here. We used to play basketball in here. Kids are growing in that way, but now today is the last day. We are sorry, but hope that is probably is time for us to plant another trees. You know, no longer it is. So your time is here. Your time is today, and this because to avoiding damaging of our houses in here. That's why we have to let you go. Yes, look like really drying this season, this year. Everything was drying, everything, as you can see it. Yeah, so like to say bye bye, my tree. And this is where I used to hang up the feeder, the bird feeders. Those are over there. That's my bird feeders. Now I cannot feed the birds no more. I have to come with other option to feed the birds, because I used to hang up bird feeders right here and another one over there, those to feed my birds. Now I cannot feed them no more. I don't know how long it will take another tree to grow and able to use it. I think it is I don't think so if I'm gonna be live. These trees, they are growing almost 20-30 years. See, it's not just 1-2 years. Yeah, so but I hope maybe I'll find another tree to plant this season after 5-7 years. If it's not me, so someone will be able to come here and using the tree, enjoy with the shading, you know, as I was hanging my basket board here, you know, the goals, but I moved them out. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the one. It was hang up there and playing basketball. Today I don't know where I'm gonna put you, otherwise throwing in garbage. Your time is ending also. I really miss you. So this is the car, guys. You know, the Davy. That's the car. Davy. How this machine is work? They will put the branches in here. They will put inside here, and it will grinding, and finally the waste, it will push it inside there. I'll show you guys. Everything will go inside there. Yeah, so it's very good machine. This is very good machine, you guys. So hydraulic, full hydraulic. So guys, this is a plant, this is a tree, maple leaf tree. That's the one actually I'm thinking about planting here, because as you can see, it's creating like a lot of shading. See, big shading in here, you know. So if I have one here, it will help me at least to sit down outside. For example, there's another tree in here. I don't know what's the name. Another one in here, I don't know what's the name. Another one in here, I don't know what's the name. This look like the same. All of these are same trees, the same. But these trees, they don't have that much shading, as you can see. Not that much shading, you know. It doesn't grow wide. This maple leaf here is growing so wide. I like it. Even this one and the second neighbors, the same thing. That's why I'm more interested with this type of tree. But these ones here, it used to help me having some shading, of course, but it doesn't grow that much wide with a lot of branch like that one. And I think because of this one, it was pushing this tree to move close the roofing there, you know. Yeah, so when I plant one now, I'm gonna plant it in here close to this gate. When I plant one in here, that means it will have a space to grow. Even if when it's growing, the branch pushing over and outside, it will be fine also. Like I can plant it in here and inside, so when the branch is pushing over, that will be fine. Look, the guy is going, it will go, he's going there to cut small pieces by small pieces. We bring them outside, you know. That's how their cars are working. So I was helping them to remove all the cars in here on the parking lots, for them to able to bring their car and cut off all of these branches. So I don't know how long these guys it will take to cut off the whole tree, but I'm here, guys. So step by step we will see it. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys step by step. Whoa. Look, very smart way. See the way how it get close to the tree with a trimmer. Look. It's there now. Now it's starting cutting. It's cutting piece by pieces, drop it. Another guy will take it, put it on the machine, and the machine will grind. I'll show you guys. I'll show you, don't worry. And believe me, that machine I show you guys can grind any type of pieces. Hold this tree, it will go on that machine. Oh, now he's using local cutting. And what he will do, throwing. Yeah, he's throwing now. Throwing on the ground. He use another local cutting. That's a manual one. See? It's very sharp. He's throwing again. Wow. So that's how they break off the branches. Okay, another guy over there is collecting it, and he will put inside the machine. So they cut small pieces, and they will put it in the machine. Machine will grinding it as a small pieces. And yes, yeah, that's it's cutting now. Drop it. Another guy is very sharp to pick. Now at least I can sleep in peaceful, because I was wondering too much about this tree. You know, I hear when the winter time is coming, freezing rain is coming, many of the trees are falling over, damage the houses when the storm are hitting in the winter times. But the good thing is I told them, so at least they hear me, and today they are here. You know, today they are here. Last year I spoke to the private company. They said they don't cut this tree, but now, thanks God, these guys, they are here. They are here. So let's see how they are going to cut it piece by pieces. Oh, that's how they damage it.
So what's going up there, man?
Good, how you doing?
So what's going up there?
Throwing the stone?
Yeah. So what's going on there? You just cutting down all your bird trees?
Why? How you doing? Long time.
Yeah, yeah. You just cutting down your bird tree, man.
I'm gonna plant a new one.
Yeah?
Like this type. You want me to throw the stone on this guy? This guy is used to live here, now he moved, but now he's back. See that thing, I need it. That one. He's been asking, how did I put it there? Yeah, he's throwing them. Careful, careful. Yeah, this tree maybe after 1 hour, it's gone. After 1 hour, this tree is gone, I'm telling you. So they're starting cutting from the top. From the top, this branch, maybe after they'll come on this branch, all the way after they'll come down. Hey, how are they gonna lift this one in the bottom? Very heavy. He's throwing. Bam. Oh, the other guy is picking from there. Cut again. It's not the easy job. Hanging up there, you know, it's not an easy job. Now throwing. Whoa. Okay, now maybe he'll go to this ones. Yeah, maybe now he'll go to this branch. The same company who cut this one before. See this one, see? And that's their jobs, to just drive around to see any damaged tree, and if they find any damaged tree, they'll cut them, you know. Yeah, so that's their jobs. And this is their company here. That's their Viclia. They decided to cut from there, finish in the other branch. Wow, professional, cut in a professional way. Now what happened? That's gonna go with that one. Oh, what? Let's see. The guy is starting grinding now. Starting separate them pieces by pieces. You hear that? You hear that? You hear that? Whoa, look at the smoke. What? Oh, guy, I will go there, don't worry. Starting that piece now. The big piece now are coming. Pieces dropping. Oh, guy quick is going to pick that one. He like to grind in those pieces. See? I want to go there and show you guys how he's gonna put it in and how he will grinding it. Oh man, oh man, oh man, bye bye the tree. Another piece. Let's go there guys and to see how it's going to grinding that one. It's keeping there and then after it's going to we will push it. This guy is still cutting some pieces there. See? See the way when the time was pushing them, that he will push you one by one or both at the same time. Let's see it. The tree was almost there. You can see from the look. This tree was almost there. Look at in the middle. Look at the middle. You see the middle of the tree? That means it's dead. See? That's the life of the tree from there. Look at here. See that one? See that one? See this one? This one is the worst. This one here. And the big one are more worst. So thanks God I cut this tree in the exactly same time. Perfect time actually, I can say that. Almost after maybe 20 minutes or 1 hour, you're not going to see this tree no more. Yeah, you just see remaining there. Very professional. Davey. So the company name is Davey since 1880. Okay, so www.davey.com. So if you want to come and cut off your tree, that's their website. You can just go through the website, find their contact. Davey.com, David Tree, that's the name, David Tree. So this guy, he investing on the tree, you can see it. This machine is an expensive machine, I'm telling you. It's not just a cheap machine, it's an expensive one. So, but this guy, he decided to investing his money by cutting the tree, and I believe this rubbish you can sell them and make more money. See guys, he's there now, he's cutting off my ropes that I used to feed him. That's why I don't know if he's gonna drop it there or yeah, he's cutting. He's had to cut that one. Maybe he will drop it there. Let's see what happened. Oh, he's dropping it there. Because that one he cannot put it in his car. That will damage his car. Okay, he's throwing it outside. Very dangerous. Another one is taking another one out. This is stainless steel. So if he put on this machine, it can cause the damage of the machine. I think 100% yes. So you have to be very careful on that one. Very careful. Maybe there's another big the nail from here. This nail, those nails have to remove it. Otherwise maybe they will give me fine. Because those nails can damage their machine also. waiting for him to come and put this one in here, so I can go with, can take a little break. Then I'll come back after, guys. One falling inside. See, that piece is missed from there. It was a drying piece. Cut from there, but I missed it. That's gonna put that one or not? Not yet. Another one is throwing. I will say no, there are no mice. I'm not gonna accept it. I will say no mice, otherwise I have to lie, guys. Today's Friday. It's not a good day to lie. You're a liar. You're a liar. Another piece. You're gonna throw that piece out. Guys only. This guy is job to collecting them. Almost gone. I think it is one branch remaining. Probably after this big piece, he will go to that one. I told you guys, 1 hour these guys, they will drop all the trees. This guy never scared of the height. He never scared of the height. Oh mama. Pick it, drop it in here, bring it in here. Push it now? No, it doesn't push it. Why? Okay, now he's starting, guys. Look how it's working now. Look. Everything will go inside there. In a minute. Oh, look. This machine is very strong. Look. Oh my God, everything is gone. Everything is gone. Empty. Oh my God. Okay guys, now my tree is gone. Look. We are going to drop it soon. See, it's gone now. It's gone. Drop it. Boom. Whoa. That's how they cut it, guys. Done, man. Push it now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's gone. Now they're done. Done. This guy is finishing the last piece. Look, it's making some noise. Almost gonna finish in there. Now let's push it. One push. Boom. Last one. Oh, this tree is gone now. They finished, everything is gone. Yeah, it's the last one. Last one. The rest I will finish with the axe. Oh, bye-bye, my tree. It's gone, man. It's gone. It's gone. Bye-bye. These guys are very professional. See how they cut it? Very professional. I like the way how they cut it. They will make it flat. Now guys, share, comment with me what tree I can plant it after. The machine is very small but very strong, and it's wireless. It's wireless. You see how they cut it? I think this is the bottom piece. I'm gonna keep it. So that if I have a meat, when this one are dry, if I have a meat, I can use to split the meat with this bottle piece. Yeah, that piece I think, if it's good, maybe I can keep that piece. Let me see. Guys, gotta go and help them to lift up. You know? Go and lift up, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah. Said you wanted to eat one? No, I was thinking about this one, but you split the meat sometime when you have money. It's not good. It's right. Yeah. You can also about from the other side. Just to let it. Look, flat. For my birds, how can I feed them? Oh, my basket trims, everything is gone. Oh, unhappy, man, unhappy, but what can I do? So the only way now to extend my garden, plant more garden, see? I can plant more garden, another unit building right there, you know, so that will be good. If I'm building another one here, that will be good. The tree is gone. It's gone for good. So that's all I can do it, to plant another tree. It's gone. Almost. Yeah. It's gone, man. It's gone. Oh, so yeah, the only thing now, plant another garden. So my garden is still free now. Oh, here maybe tomatoes already here. Oh, what happened to my shoes? Maybe I have some tomato. I wanted to harvest once. Another one are coming now. This is what do you call this? Lady fingers or eggplant. Another pepper here. Tomatoes. They're not ready yet. This is the pink tomatoes. Pink or purple? Is this pink tomato or purple tomatoes? I have this. This needs support. I can see it needs support. I should hang up this. I have to tighten it. It's falling over. Yeah, I need to tighten this one. Look at the purple tomatoes. You never come with anything. Is this male ones? I don't know. Yeah, I had only one tomato from these ones. Now they are growing. They want to cross over. This one, I don't know. It doesn't grow. I have another one here. Black pepper. Another tomato here. You know, another one's keeping going outside. This one is going outside. I don't know why. I don't want it to go outside. Stay in here. If I can tie it with this. Hope I'm not gonna break it. And this is a fly one. Yeah, stay there. Anyway, guys, thank you very much, and appreciate, guys. Oh, soon I'm gonna harvest this. You can see 3 are coming. There 3 are coming, and so I'm gonna building more unit. The garden, kitchen garden. Gonna extend it, another one in here. Make another one here. Up to here. And then I'll cut another one here. Then maybe I will plant it. One at the middle, maybe. So, but so far my tree is gone. My trees are gone. Thank you guys a lot. Let me clean up in here a little bit. Casting all over. Look, I'm looking for my pieces inside there. So tree is gone now. They do cleaning everything. Okay guys, so as you can see, this tree is gone, you know, and I know this tree was damaged. You can see it from here. Look, the ants are starting eating until they get to the middle. So the tree at the middle was gone. You can see it. At the middle was gone. So the tree was surviving from this side, but at the middle the tree was gone. And this insect, look at those ones. They are the one inside. Let me show you. Let me zoom and show you guys. I don't know I can able to show you guys properly. Where are they? Okay, wait. You see these ones? Those are the one who damage the trees. See those? I don't know what they call. I don't know what's their names. But one of the worms. Yeah, so they came in from the middle of the trees. So type of worms. They are the one who was eating in the middle. See these lines. Those are worms coming from there, and they eat to the center. They just goes in until the middle. So they start damage the middle. You know, soon after, and this one, and these ants. Those ants, this one, now they don't have a place to stay. You see? Those ones, they was just eating the tree from the side, and there was a bird coming here and knocking this tree. That bird, I forget his blue jays maybe, I don't know if that's right. He was coming here to finding for these worms to eat. So look at the tree. That is gone now, man. Gone. Yeah, so bye. But thanks God, at least this, when the wind is coming, this side will be able to fall to my house. See it here? Damn it, this is a dangerous area. It was about to fall from this side, so I can hit in my home. Maybe this one was supporting this side, was giving a lot of support. But from this side, the possibility of tree to falling, if the wind is coming strong, can fall from this way or break down to this side. But all it all, continue, share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel by the name of Sport Nami. right here, and at least I'm happy now, you know. I can find the peace of my home, peace of my house. Thank you guys very much. Continue, share, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care. These guys, they have one more tree to cut at the front. That is out of me, you know. So thank you guys. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye.